Hi guys, so today I will be unboxing one more parcel from Temu, and yeah, I continue ordering stuff from Temu because I like the fast delivery, I like the prices there, and if you're attentive to details and to reviews inside Temu, yeah, you will find a good quality. So let's see what is inside. So this one, it's actually it's a windproof cover for your microphone. I will use it with my GoPro. It's actually for Insta360, but yeah, I think it will work fine with GoPro as well. So I will cover two microphones of GoPro with yeah, with this sponge cover. So I think it's like 6 pieces pack. So I have 6 of them in one pack, and it cost me around $2.50 for all of them. This is yeah, for it calls dead cat. So this is basically windproof screen for microphone, and yeah, like I can use it with mine. So yeah, I will not change it right now because I don't want to make noise during this video, but yeah, basically it can be replaced. It's 2 pieces and it cost me less than $2 for 2. So yeah, when you're outdoor and you're fishing and want to record a video, it's very nice cover for your Lavalier microphone, for your Lavalier microphone. So yeah, what is next? The next is a big jig from Jigging Pro. It's 80 gram, and yeah, I continue preparing for summer season and for sea vacation, and yeah, this one is 80 grams and cost me, I think it cost me around $4 on Temu. It's cheaper than on AliExpress. I compared prices, so yeah, very nice quality. I haven't tried them, but they look very nice. Actually, I can even take it. No. Let's try to unbox it completely. Interesting, it has form, you see, it's not straight. Maybe it was broken during delivery. Okay, let's keep unboxing. This one is 20 grams. I will use it for asp fishing. It's also from Jigging Pro, and this one cost me around $2.50. So yeah, it's a nice one. And one more is the same. So I ordered 2 pieces. I like the design and how they look like, so I ordered 2 of them. So yeah, this is it for today. Thank you for watching this video, and like it and subscribe if you want to see more such unboxes.